boys and girls. Today I want to read to you Animal Alphabet by Cooper Duke and Nell Duke. And this book is a little bit different because on each page, on the first page, there is the letter of the alphabet with a clue about what animal this is. And then on the next page, it says the name of the animal, and then it shows us the rest of the animal. So when I show you the page with the letter, I want you to try to figure out if you can take a guess of what animal this is. So here we go. Animal alphabet. A, ant. B, butterfly. C, cat. D, dog. E, eagle. F, fish. G, gorilla. H, horse. I, iguana. J, jellyfish. K, kangaroo. L, lobster. M, mouse. N, narwhal. O, ostrich. P, pig. Q, quail. R, raccoon. S, squid. T, turtle. U, umbrella bird. V, vulture. W, worm. X, and this is actually, the X is at the end of the word. So X, fox. Y, yak. Z, zebra. And there was Animal Alphabet. Bye.